All right, I got a mixture of, I've already put in some all-purpose fertilizer. I took and I mixed together the blood meal and the bone meal. So we're going to put that in each one of my buckets as well. I think what I'm going to do differently with this one is I'm not going to use any chicken manure like I did with the first set, because I think I may have over fertilized, but we really won't know for a while if I've over fertilized. It has taken quite a while for the beans to come up. The radishes are up, but the beans are not. So we're going to finish filling up these buckets here, and that'll be it for this particular pallet. Then I got 2 more pallets to go after this. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it's all gonna work out. I still got to plant some potatoes today. I've got potatoes I'm gonna plant today, and I have garlic that I'm gonna plant today. As soon as I get done with the other 2 pallets, each pallet holds about 9 buckets. So probably got about a good 45 minutes to an hour if I don't take a break to get this done. And I'm trying to outrun the rain as well. So we're going to see how all of that works out.